दुष्काळात 13वा म्हयनो म्हणटात तशी गत गोंय राज्याची अर्थवेवस्थेची जावपाची आसा। केंद्र सरकार राज्याक मेळपी GST वयलो कॉम्पेन्सेशन सेस बंद करपाचो थारायला। ह्या निर्णयाक लागून ल्हान राज्यांक बरोच फटको बसतलो। देखून हो निर्णय फाटीं घेवपाची मागणी करतलो, मंत्री माविन गुदिन्होन सांगला।
GSTक लागून राज्याचे येणावळीक बरोच मार बसला असो आरोप जायत आसा। GSTंतल्या कराचो जेन्ना राज्यांतलो वांटो दितात तेन्ना लुकसाण भरपाय म्हण कॉम्पेन्सेशन सेस केंद्र सरकार दिता। हो सेस बंद जालो जाल्यार गोंयाचेर आर्थीक संकट येवं येता। देखून बारीक राज्यांक तरी हो सेस दिवचो अशें GST परिशदेचो वांगडी माविन गुदिन्होन सांगला।
There has been certain buoyancy in collections at the central level. The recent collection has been 1.68 lakh crore collection in GST, which is the highest so far. There is buoyancy in the collections of certain bigger states. They have collected more money, and centre perhaps sometimes feels that there is no need for compensation cess to be extended, the scheme of compensation to be extended beyond July 2022. My simple submission is that the smaller states per se will suffer without any doubt in anybody's mind. What will the small states do? Big states, yes, they have got that much of avenues and they can shore up their revenues from different sources. Small states don't have that luxury. So the centre will have to look at smaller states in a very different manner and see that whatever loss of money coming from the central pool to the state as cess, which is used to come compensation cess, has to be compensated in another way if the cess does not continue. Otherwise we will, as I said, we will be in dire states.
गोवा 365 खातीर पणजेच्यान विलियम रॉड्रिग्स।